Hey guys, so today is today's Friday and it's nighttime. And today I was wondering I was gonna do a YouTube video today. And the YouTube video is about making slime at 3 a.m. Everybody says it's the spooky hour and all that. Well, I'm gonna see if it's true or not true. So, the 3 a.m. slime thing is something happens to your slime at 3 a.m. It gets all spooky and things happen while you're making slime. But we're gonna find out and see if it's true. And if it's, I'm gonna have you guys on live. I'm gonna have you on everything on the internet. And if it's not true, then it's not true. So, and I want you guys to stay up. I got scared. Okay. So, I'm just gonna record in the bathroom because there's like something out there. I'm not. So I'm recording in the bathroom. So apparently 3 a.m. is the spooky hour. I actually do believe that's the spooky hour, but I don't believe something's gonna happen to my slime. So I'm gonna get to that and do it and get to that video and do it today. And I'm gonna set my alarm up at 3 a.m. to do my slime thing. I'm not sure if it's true or not true, but we'll go see if it is. So, yeah. But I'm pretty sure it's not true, but I'll let you guys know down below if it is true. So, guys, so it's been weird. I don't know. People been waking up at 3 in the morning because of this slime 3 a.m. thing. You guys, don't fall for those stupid tricks. They're not real. We'll find out. Find out soon, okay? So, we'll see what happens. Let's get into this video. And